Hi, I am Czar, an ICE 50 avatar, and will present this interesting research publication. Bonding Self-Etching Adhesives to Enamel and Dentin in Vitro. Purpose: to evaluate the shear bond strength of new self-etching dental adhesive systems to enamel and dentin in vitro. Methods: 5 adhesive systems were tested: A. ADPER prompt, 3MESPE, B. ADESE, Ivoclar, C. G-bond, GC, D. Xeno 3, Dentsply, and E. ADPER, single bond plus, 3MESPE, as control. Extracted human teeth, N equals 180, were mounted in plastic rings using acrylic resin. Dentin test samples, dentin, were prepared by sectioning the mounted teeth through the dentin layer. Enamel samples were either abraded and polished to a flat surface, cut enamel, using wet diamond grinding discs, 70, 45, and 15 microns, or cleaned with pumice, uncut enamel. Composite resins, from corresponding manufacturers, were bonded to the various surfaces using a special Teflon mold with a 2 mm cylindrical opening. Bonded samples were stored in water for 24 hours. Bond strengths were measured in shear mode in an Instron machine, and data was analyzed by ANOVA. Conclusions: for the 5 adhesive systems tested, there was no significant difference in bond strengths to dentin versus enamel, both cut and uncut. Except for a difference in bond strengths between Xeno 3 and ADPER single bond plus, P equals 0.02, there was no significant difference among the adhesive systems tested. This in vitro test concludes that most new self-etching adhesives tested are as reliable for bonding to dentin and enamel as the conventional control group. Meeting, 2005 IADR/AADR/CADR General Session, Baltimore, Maryland. Location: Baltimore, Maryland. Abstract categories: Dental Materials, I, Adhesion Composite Bond Strength. Authors: Nathanson, Dan, former Harvard and Boston University, Boston, Massachusetts, USA. Dr. Tom Khalili, ICE 50 founder states, "It is an honor to be able to share this study from Dan Nathanson to you. He is a legend and pioneer in the field of biomaterials science, and as a professor and chairman he has helped hundreds of students and other professors get to the next stage of scientific knowledge."